Hello, I'll be showing you how to install this summer infant pop and sit. It's quite easy and quick to do. It comes with this nice travel bag. In the bag we have the tray, we have the seat, as well as the two straps. So now to install, we'll put the seat on your desired chair. Then unbuckle the two straps to make 4 pieces. Now you'll grab one of the 4 straps. You're gonna wrap it around the back of the seat. You're gonna feed it through the opening of the hoop. Just like that. Then you're going to repeat on the other side, the other back leg, with the corresponding strap to the one that you just installed. Then you're going to buckle the 2 straps together, like so. Beautiful. Now, using another strap, you're gonna wrap around the X of the side of the seat. And then wrap it around like so, feeding it through the metal hoop. There we go. And then you're going to repeat on the other side with your last strap that corresponds to the one that you just installed. Beautiful. And you're going to flip around the chair to buckle up those straps to the bottom of the chair. Then you're going to tighten it as needed. There we go. Now to show the tray has 2 latches on both sides that you'll need to pull as you attach to the circles on the chair. This will allow you to insert it. You might have to wiggle it a little bit. And there we go. Now you want to verify that all the straps are on properly, that you don't have them tangled, that they're tight and secure and safe. And there you have it. There's an installed summer pop and sit. I highly recommend.